Welcome back to Explaincad. In this tutorial, we will know about derived sketch. For derived sketch, first of all, I create a path. So I select top plane, sketch, normal. I created a rectangle, center rectangle. Right click, select option, smart dimension. This side 130 mm and this side 100 mm. Right click, select option. Come back from the sketch. Go to features, extruded boss base feature. Extrude it up to 80 mm. Select OK. Now I select this face and create a feature. I select sketch, normal. I select here polygon, draw one polygon here. Number of sides 6. Select OK. Smart dimension. Select the polygon circle and give it some dimension 50 mm. Right click, select option, select the edge of the polygon, make vertical. Now select circle command, draw one circle here. Right click, select option, go to smart dimension, diameter of the circle 30 mm. Right click, select option, come back from the sketch, go to extruded boss base feature and extrude it up to 30 mm. Select OK. For derived sketch, first of all, select the sketch which you want to drive. I select boss extrude to, double click here and select the sketch to. Now press and hold control button and select the face. I select this face. Now go to insert. Here select derived sketch. Come back from the sketch. Go to extruded boss base feature. Select the derived sketch 3 and extrude it up to 40 mm. Select OK. Again I select sketch 2. Press and hold control button. Now I select this face. Go to insert. Here select derived sketch. Come back from the sketch. Extruded boss base feature. Derived sketch 4. Reverse direction. Select OK. Select this. Edit sketch. And move the sketch. Here select OK. Here is one limitation in derived sketch. We can't edit this derived sketch, but we can edit the reference sketch. If I edit this reference sketch 10 mm, come back from the sketch, then all these sketches will be changed. This is the limitation of the derived sketch. This is the derived sketch feature. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe Explaincad.